Tired of OneDrive slowing down your PC and filling your hard drive with files you never asked to sync? Here is exactly how to disable that syncing in under 2 minutes. We will unlink your PC from OneDrive and stop the sync for good. Just follow these simple steps. Start by locating the OneDrive icon in your taskbar. That is the little cloud icon near the clock in the bottom right corner of your screen. If you cannot see it, you might need to click the small arrow pointing up to show all the hidden icons. It is usually a white or blue cloud. Go ahead and click it. Once the pop-up opens, click the gear icon for settings. It is in the bottom right corner of that pop-up window. The gear icon is small, but it is easy to spot. This is where all the control lives. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open the main OneDrive settings window. This is the command center for everything OneDrive does on your machine. And here is the really important part. We are about to undo the connection between your computer and the cloud. In Settings, go to the Account tab. You will see a few tabs across the top, and the one you want is labeled Account. It is usually the second tab. Go ahead and click it. Now click Unlink This PC to stop syncing. This is the big one. It is a button near the bottom of the window. Clicking it tells OneDrive to break the link entirely. Your files that are already on your computer will stay right where they are, but OneDrive will stop trying to keep everything in sync. This is exactly what we want. A confirmation dialog appears. Click Unlink Account to proceed. Windows will ask if you are sure. Just confirm it. After that, the syncing stops immediately. The files you already have in your OneDrive folder will stay on your hard drive, but they are no longer connected to the cloud. You can move them, delete them, or leave them alone. It is your choice now. And remember, this process is based on a step-by-step guide from a tutorial platform that tested every click, so you know it works. Check that OneDrive no longer shows syncing status. Look at the taskbar again. The cloud icon should have a line through it or simply not be there anymore. If you open File Explorer, you will no longer see the OneDrive folder acting like it is trying to sync. Your computer will feel faster almost immediately. If you only want to pause temporarily, here is how. Instead of unlinking, you can right-click the OneDrive icon in the taskbar, choose Pause Syncing, and pick a time like 2 hours or 24 hours. This is great if you are about to run a big game or render a video and you do not want OneDrive eating up your disk speed in the background. Just remember, it will start syncing again when the time is up. And that is it. Your PC is free from the constant background syncing, and you are back in control. Thanks for following along.